mistake most medical practices make, they only look at what came in this month, not what's already been spoken for. So for example, say a patient paid $2,000 for a hormone therapy package in June, but they're not using those visits until August and September. That money feels like revenue, but it's actually a liability until the services are delivered. Now pair that with upcoming obligations like your quarterly malpractice premium or that EHR renewal hitting next week. Suddenly, that surplus isn't so real. It gives a false sense of stability. That's where practices actually get caught off guard. I'm Lozelle Mathad, a CFO for medical practices. And if you're a physician-owned or practice managers that's wondering why you're still stressed about cash despite a packed schedule, this video is for you. Because this isn't about how much money you're collecting, it's about how you manage what's already been promised. Here's how it usually plays out. Reimbursements land late, a vendor bill hits early, your MA PTO kicks in, and now you're paying for someone else to cover. Meanwhile, you got cash in the account, but it's not all yours yet. Without a system that shows what's truly available, you're already one step behind. Sorry. You need a real cash flow process, one that tracks not just how much came in, but what it's for when it's needed and what's already accounted for. Cash flow isn't just deposits minus expenses. It's timing, it's visibility. And when you don't have that, you can't plan. You're just reacting. Most clinics rely on your EHR report, bank balances, and that gut feeling, we're doing okay. But those numbers don't account for future obligation. If no one is reconciling accounts, tracking prepaid income, or planning for upcoming expenses, your numbers are giving you false confidence. You're not in crisis, but you're definitely not in control. That fix isn't complicated. It just requires structure, clean reconciliation, a rolling 90-day cash flow forecast, visibility into what vendors owed, what's tying into prepaid packages, and what's actually free to spend. That's how you stop wondering if you could afford that new hire or if it's going to bite you in the butt 2 pay cycles later. We work with practices that used to second guess every big decision. Now, they make them with confidence because their numbers back them up. They know what's coming, what's covered, and what can wait. That shift from uncertainty to clarity, that's what strong cash flow system gives you. If your medical practice looks successful on paper, but you're still stretched, it's time to stop relying on good revenue as your only metric. Hit subscribe if you want more straight talk financial leadership for medical practices, or book a call with us to start building a system that shows you the real financial picture so you can lead with confidence and clarity.